Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel YVS Crafty Art. In previous video I have shown you how to make till round 6. I hope you understood the video very clearly. Now in today's video I'm going to continue the remaining part. So without getting delayed, let's get started. In round 7 we have to make, I'm taking another color, that is green color, make a slip knot and pull through and work on 6 chain, that is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And in top of that design, work on 1 single crochet. Now work on 6 chain, and in the next we have to work on 1 single crochet stitch, and we have to continue till the end. So we have completed. Now I'm going to show you the next by taking another yarn. I hope you understood the video clearly. Please like the video and please do subscribe my channel. Now I'm going to show you round 8. For round 8 we have to work 10 double crochet in every chain, in every single space. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Work on 10 double crochet. Work on 10 double crochet in every space, in every chain. In every 10 chain we have to work on 10 double crochet. Now I'm going to show you round 9. For round 9, so look, we have completed. You have to complete till last round 8. Now I'm going to show you round 9. In round 9 we have to work on 3 chain. Have to work on 3 chain. We have to skip 2 stitches. Have to skip 2 stitches and work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain, yarn over, skip 2 stitches, and in third stitch work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain, again skip 2 stitches, and in the third chain work on 1 double crochet. Ninth row we have to work on, we have to do 1 double crochet plus 2, 1 double crochet plus 2, and we have to skip 2 stitches, and in third chain we have to work on. Now I'm going to show you round 10. For round 10 work on 3 chain, and we have to work on 3 double crochet in the space. 1, 2, 3. We have to work on 3 double crochets above each space, and in the next space work on 3 double crochet, that is of 1, 2 and 3, and in next space 1, 2 and 3. So in 10th round we have to work 3 double crochets above each space, and in round 11 we have to repeat round 9. Round 9 we have to repeat in round 11. I'm going to show you once again. Look carefully. Work on 3 chain, skip 2, 1, 2, and in third stitch work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain, skip 2, and in third stitch work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain, skip 2, and third work on 1 double crochet. So 9, round 9 and round 11 is the same. Look, we have done till round 11. Okay, now I'm going to show you 12th round. So for 12th round, work on 3 chain. Work on 3 chain, and in the next space work on 2 double crochet, and in the next chain right above the double crochet we have to work on 1 double crochet, and in next space 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and in the next chain right above the double crochet we have to work on 1 double crochet, and in next space 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. So far we have completed round 12 also. In 13th round we have to work on round 6. Repeat round 6 in round 13 also. Now again I'm going to change the color into green. Make a slip knot, and we have to work on 10 single crochets, single chain. As of we have to make 10 chains, and in top of the above design we have to work on 1 single crochet and work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Work on 10 chain and 1 single crochet. We have to work till the end. Now in the next round work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to work on 7 single crochets plus 4 chain, and in the starting we have to do 1 slip knot and again work on 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have to work on 7 single crochets the entire round, that is of round 14. Look, have done all around plus 1 chain and cut the yarn. Round 14 we have to do in this way. Look, we have completed it, and turn backwards and we have to pull the tail, we have to cover it and cut it off. So I hope you understood the explanation in the entire video. If you have any doubts regarding to the video, please don't hesitate to give me a comment in the comment section below. If you are watching my video for the first time ever, please do subscribe my channel and comment me and like the video. Thanks for watching.